G'day guys, Toby here from Lloyds Auctioneers and Valuers, Australia's greatest auction house, presenting our passenger, luxury and commercial auction closing this Monday, featuring the 2008 Ferrari F430. An unmistakable roar of this engine is enough to get you going, guys. You don't want to miss out. Here's what we've prepared, a little bit of a montage of the car in action on the roads on the Gold Coast, and I hope you enjoy. It's a great car, you're not going to want to miss out. This plus over 100 other cars up for auction this Monday. Jump onto the catalogue at lloydsauctions.com.au and don't miss out. Have a look at the videos and good luck. Thank you.